Put toothpaste on toilet paper, and you won't believe the result. After I learned this, I never had this problem again in my house. If you thought toothpaste was only for brushing your teeth, know that you're wrong. Its uses go far beyond that, and that's exactly what I'll show you in this video. But before I tell you what putting toothpaste on toilet paper is for, let me show you other different uses of toothpaste, which you probably didn't know about and will also be very useful to you. If you have any silver jewelry that is dirty and dull, toothpaste can solve that. Take the jewelry you want to clean. Apply a little toothpaste directly to the piece, and then just rub with your hands. Toothpaste has great cleaning and whitening power, and with that, it will restore the shine to your jewelry. See the incredible result. If you love using garlic in your food, but don't like the smell that stays on your hands, toothpaste is the solution. After peeling the garlic, just apply a little toothpaste and spread it. And that's it. Problem solved. If you have an all-white shoe or one with a white sole, and if you would like to restore the white as before, use toothpaste. Apply it directly to the area you want to clean. Then scrub with a brush. Wash and let it dry naturally. Then your shoe will be as white as new. If you like to keep the bathroom toilet always clean and especially odorless, toothpaste is also a great solution. Take a tube of toothpaste, and it doesn't have to be new. With the help of an object, make some holes throughout the toothpaste packaging. Then make 2 cuts in this part. One here and another here. After that, just put it in the toilet tank, then wait a few minutes. Now every time you flush, a little toothpaste will come out in the water, which is going to clean, remove stains, and especially prevent that bad urine smell. Now that you've learned some different uses with toothpaste, it's time to show you what putting it on toilet paper is for. For this, take a piece of paper, fold it, and then roll it up like this. It will look like a piece of string. Next, put a little toothpaste on your fingers and spread it all over the rolled paper. Then put it in a glass container, leaving this end sticking out. Now just light it up. And with that, you'll have a wonderful insect repellent, especially for mosquitoes. The smoke will scare them all away, and the toothpaste's function is to inhibit the smell of burnt paper. I'm sure that with this tip, mosquitoes, gnats, cockroaches, and midges will stay far away from your house. So that's it. I hope you liked it. Now let me know which of these toothpaste tips you liked the most and which one you didn't know before. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.